Glad you could join me. Today I'm going to be making a little fish hook. It's pretty simple, I've never made one before, but let's give it a go. Okay, so I've just got a little piece of 4mm round in the fire. I mean, really we should probably be using something a little bit smaller, but this is the smallest I've got. And even if I do use something a bit smaller, that's harder because that'll burn up, you know, and melt in the fire. Like now I don't even have the fan on. I'm just letting it warm up in the fire so I don't burn it and melt it off. Anyway, let's see how it goes. So that's it. I enjoyed making this little hook. Well, I say little, it's actually quite big, you know, in terms of fishing. I don't think you're going to be having this on a fly rod. You know, I think this is really only useful for big things like sharks, really, but you know, it's still fun to do. The principle's still the same for a smaller hook, I suppose, if you can somehow forge that. I don't know how to do that really, I'd just melt it. But if you've got the skills to make a smaller one, then yeah, go ahead. Anyway, I enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed watching me make it, and I hope that you'll click some videos here and subscribe if you want to. I don't mind, whatever you want to do. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.